So with science, we discover things about our world, and then we got to pass that knowledge on, right? Generation after generation, so that we don't have to relearn and rediscover things. And the main way that we do that is with something called journal articles. And this is important because when you write your paper, the main thing you want to be citing are journal articles. Right? If you find a good book or research report, I mean, those things are great, you can cite those. But the vast majority of your scholarly sources will be journal articles. And they've been around for a long time. I mean, in my field of sociology, we have the American Journal of Sociology, and it's been around since 1895. Or the Journal of Science, it's been around since 1880. And the oldest one is the Philosophical Transactions of the Royal Society, and it's been around since 1665. I mean, it has journal articles that were written by Benjamin Franklin and Isaac Newton. So, I mean, this is the primary method through which we pass our knowledge on. Science is like a relay race, right? You hand the baton from not just one generation to the next, but from one researcher to the next. And so I'm going to help you understand more about these, because they really are the key thing that you need to understand to know how to access them, how to understand them, and how to cite them. And so we're going to cover